Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you why I just bought some more Zoom stock, and it's more because I actually bought Zoom way back. It was like my fourth stock that I bought as part of the channel, and I'm buying some more today. But it's kind of crazy because Zoom is one of my biggest losers actually, and that's why I've stayed away from the company for so long, because of the price volatility, which we'll talk about more here in a second. But actually, I think Zoom is a great buy, and that's why I'm coming back to it a few years later to get a few more shares. But let's talk about Zoom for just a minute. They're primarily recognized for their Zoom meetings teleconferencing app. So I'm guessing the vast majority of y'all that are watching have probably used their software at some point. It was major big during the pandemic. They offer also a comprehensive range of subscription-based communication and collaboration tools. So some of their recent additions to their product line, we've got Zoom Phone, which is of course it's voice communications, just what it sounds like. There are Zoom Rooms, which are software-infused conference rooms. There's Zoom IQ, which is an AI summarization tool that can be integrated right with your conversations and meetings. There is the Zoom Contact Center, which is a call center platform. Anyway, all of this expansion has happened under the leadership of the founder / CEO, Eric Yuan, who started Zoom all the way back in 2011 after he left Cisco's WebEx team. So the reason I'm buying today, some of the current highlights with the company, the reason that Zoom is popping back up in the headlines is that the company, well, we gotta address the elephant in the room. It's known, and it's got a bad reputation for its significant share price fluctuation during the pandemic. I mean, that thing looked like Bitcoin for a second. It was bouncing all over the place like a pinball machine. It was crazy. Like I said, one of my biggest losers actually bought it during all that craziness. But actually, the company has maintained a strong financial base throughout all of the fluctuation, with nearly $7 billion in cash. They reported a 24% increase in free cash flow ending fiscal year 2024. And they just introduced Zoom Workplace. This is big. I want to talk just a minute about it. It's an AI-powered collaboration platform, and I think it's a new catalyst for future growth. But let's talk about it. Zoom Workplace. Again, a unified platform integrating previous components like Zoom Calendar, Zoom Mail, Zoom Whiteboard. It was launched with 2,500 integrations. So the aim of the company is to collaborate rather than compete against their direct competition with platforms like Microsoft Teams and Google Docs. They provide migration tools to facilitate user transitions from other platforms, and they've seen a noted increase in downloads of Zoom Team Chat migration tools. So let's talk about the strategy here of what the company is doing and why I think this warrants a buy, and that's why I'm buying it. So they launched Zoom Workplace to the public at no additional cost to existing Zoom Meetings users. And we're wondering why. Why would the company, launch this new software? And doesn't seem like it's very profitable if you're giving it away for free. Well, they did it for a reason. They're aiming at increasing their user base, and they're also trying to increase familiarity with the new platform. So they're giving it away for free because it's going to generate a lot of traffic. It's going to bring people to the platform at a good value, and it's going to create familiarity with their new system. Then I'm seeing that probably down the road, then they start bumping that price up from free. They also announced a $1.5 billion share buyback program just before the Workplace launch. Now, when it comes to their market position, future outlook, we're in the early stages, I would say, of Zoom Workplace's potential market impact. Just launched the software. Again, I'm expecting this to be a game changer for Zoom. This is the main reason why I'm buying more stock today. I'm watching for customer adoption rates, looking to see what's going to happen there and other engagement metrics. But this is positioned as a potentially rewarding investment for those that are looking past historical share price performance. And I waited a long time to come back to the stock, guys, but I really feel like it's leveled out now, and I think this is a good entry point, or a second entry point anyway for myself. So when we're thinking about some of the considerations for investors, the potential investor appeal is, if you're open to investing based on future growth prospects, this is a great stock for you. Zoom does have a lot of potential to grow, and the stock price again is at a reasonable rate at this point. There are some concerns. Mostly it's just if you're wary of the immediate post-launch performance with this Zoom workplace without any established financial results, because we haven't seen any numbers. We don't really know if this is a win or loss yet. They launched it for free. So I'm banking on the idea that this is going to be a win for them and that this is going to drive the stock upwards. Anyway, guys, that's my take. Very curious to know what your take is, so leave a comment down below. Like the video. If you really enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I try to post all my buys right here on this channel. So anyway, guys, you'll have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time.